Hi everybody! Today I'm making you a dip that you can use with your veggies. And I've got whipped cream cheese, walnuts, green onion, salt, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. And I remember the seasonings today. Did you see my pot pie video where I forgot the seasoning so I had to put it on top at the end? I didn't forget it today. You can add whatever seasonings you want. I think the last time I made this a few years ago, I used almonds, and today I'm doing the walnuts. I have my zucchini already sliced up, and I don't know if, what's his name, Gordon Ramsay? I don't know if he would be excited about my knife cuts, but it'll do. So let's get started. So I've got my whipped cream cheese, and I'm gonna go ahead and season it. I have the pink salt. I'm just going to use the whole container. And my garlic. Go ahead and mix that in a little bit. Okay, my green onion. Ooh, that fell on the floor. I guess the dogs will get that in a minute. And my walnuts. And you could probably toast these first if you wanted, but this one I just used the chopped walnuts, and I actually chopped them up a little bit more, but I did not toast these. That would probably be really good. And I'm gonna try to make this all fit, because I didn't want to dirty up another container. So we'll see. Oh, and I still gotta fit the cheese in here. Oh boy. This might not be pretty, but it'll taste good. Yep. Here comes that puppy dog. Hi. I got one of the puppy dogs right over there. All right, now, I'm gonna wipe my hands off. Try to add this cheese. It's looking pretty mixed up, hopefully enough. But what I did when I made this a few years ago, I just topped off my little zucchini, just kind of like that. That's very good. I really like that. So I might just sit here and eat it with a spoon.